Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today's episode is the part 10 of our 3 weeks road trip around Poland. After our stay in Kashuby, we chose Toruń as our next stop on the route. This city was founded in the 13th century and its founders were knights under the sign of the Black Cross. Toruń is located in northern Poland and it's located on both sides of the Vistula River. It should be noted, however, that originally Toruń was located in a different place. The reason for moving Toruń was frequent flooding. The symbol of the city is an angel holding a key and a gate with 3 towers. The door in the gate is half open, the other half closed. The gates of the city are closed to the enemy, but open to visitors. The ceramic figures were created by Toruń artists with tourists in mind. These numerous figurines are to give the city an artistic atmosphere, attract attention to the historic details of architecture, remind of the people and times when the Gothic streets and houses were built. Toruń is also the capital of gingerbread. Naturally, the Toruń Gingerbread Museum is located here. This is a unique place located in the post-industrial building of Gustav Wessel Gingerbread Company. In 2015, an interactive museum facility was established in which the history and monuments of gingerbread are presented in many dimensions. It is worth paying special attention to the collections of wooden gingerbread molds from the turn of the 17th and 20th century. They show both the mastery of wood carving and the artistry of spiced pastries. You can get to know the ingredients of gingerbread dough, find out where they come from, how exotic gingerbread spices look and smell. The oldest known recipe for our gingerbread comes from the medical book Compendium Medicum Auctum and dates back to 1725. The inquisitive will look into a 19th century gingerbread shop and compare the richness of packaging with a shop from the 20th century. Toruń is an old fortress. The medieval walls had 12 gates, over 60 towers and 2 barbicans. The most famous of the towers is the Leaning Tower. According to one of the legends, the tilting of the tower is a punishment for the sinful Teutonic knight. Inclined at an angle of 5 degrees brings a challenge. You should stand with your back to the tower, with your heels and head against the wall, and stretch your arms out in front of you. The one who stands so unwavering shows the purity of his own conscience. Near the town hall there is a fountain with frogs which, according to the legend, should be stroked on the back. You may ask why? The answer is very simple. It will bring you luck. Many visitors to Toruń are surprised by the figure of a donkey standing by the market square. This figure refers to the former place of punishment. In the past, on the back of a donkey, disobedient guards bothered by a metal rod were placed. The severity of this punishment were complemented by weight tied to the legs. Toruń is known as the city of Mikołaj Kopernik. This is where this great astronomer was born. Filuś the dog is sitting on the opposite side of the market square. He holds his owner's bowler hat in his mouth. It is said that when you stroke his head, you gain wisdom, and when you catch his tail, you will be lucky in love. In the evening, we went to watch the water show of the multimedia fountain, accompanied by music. The panorama of Toruń is considered one of the wonders of Poland. I couldn't let go of recording the panorama of the city at night. For comparison, you also have the same view during the day. Which version touches your heart more? Thank you so much for watching. Leave your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more. See you in the next one. Bye bye.